Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Among Us on Macbook Pro, updated. First, update Mac OS, then open the App Store or Steam and search for Among Us to buy or download. Next, install the game and grant any permissions requested, like microphone access for chat. Finally, launch Among Us, sign into your account, and check settings so controls and graphics match your playstyle before joining a game. Let's tune your controls so the game feels smooth and natural. Open Settings, go to Controls, and test trackpad movement versus a connected mouse to see which you prefer. Change sensitivity and remap keys if you want quicker turns or easier reporting. Consider enabling tap to move for simpler navigation on the trackpad. Save your settings and try a short practice game to confirm everything feels comfortable before jumping into a real match. Playing online on your MacBook Pro is straightforward and fun with friends. From the main menu, select Online, then choose Public to join strangers or Private to host friends with a lobby code. Invite friends, set player limits and map choices, and adjust chat options like Quick Chat or Full Text Chat for safety. Remember to verify your mic and network before you start so voice and sync stay stable during games.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.